Hey everyone, after mounting my TV, I wanted to hide my wires behind the wall so it looks more like this. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. I got this kit off Amazon right here. It's a TV wire hiding kit for $15 and it comes with a drill bit and these two wall covers. I'm going to install this to the left of the TV right along this stud. In case you're wondering where to drill, when you see a power outlet, there will be a stud either to the left or right of it. Obviously, we want to drill next to the stud, not on the stud itself. So I'm going to put it right over here. I have my drill over here. And I have this drill bit. Just going to assemble it by sticking this piece through and tightening it with the nut on the back. Loosen this part of the drill. Stick this new drill bit in place and then tighten up the drill. Next, we drill in that place I marked. Hole number 1 down the same line of sight. We're going to go down here to hole number 2. Okay. At this point I think about the cords I want to hide behind the TV. I'm thinking at least a power cord, the HDMI, and a light bar. And the reason why this is important is because we want to feed the cords through first before sticking the cap onto the wall for the top part. Okay, so we have 3 different wires. They're going to go down this line, and what's going to help me is I'm going to use a tape measure. Now I've bundled up the cords with tape. Now I can drop this through the hole. Now we drop this bundle of cords through the hole, and of course, since I'm lined up with a stud, that should help guide the cords down the wall. Just keep dropping it through here, and we should be able to see them down here. So if I look through, I should be able to see them and then reach through and pull them out. Our wires have come through. Okay, and then what happens down here? So the wires down there where we want them, I'm going to go up here and stick this white wall cap into the wall. Push this in. And now you're in. And down here, we're going to fish these cords through the second wall plate. And then we can stick this wall plate into the wall as well. The bottom wall plate kept slipping out. If you lift this rubberized cover, you can place a Phillips head into here and then turn it, and it should lock it into the wall. And here's the end result. So yeah, it was a pretty easy DIY. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.